Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Yes, this is my first video for this year 2020. Man, look what we got here. Look what we got here. But before we continue, happy new year to all you all. Man, Mavic Mini, I finally got my my own. Actually, I am so excited to open up this thing and get it in the air. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo-wee. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Mm. Wow, look at that nice packaging right here. Looks solid, looks authentic, looks very very good. And we got another box. Yup. And I think 1, 2 and 3 more boxes. Very excited to see what's in them, but I will not waste much time. Let's just get straight to it. Let's get straight to it. These are the prop guards. Okay, from what I've seen, most people don't fly the airs with the prop guards, but I think I'll be using my prop guards just for the fun of it. All right, okay, seems very easy to mount. Yep, let's move forward. Oh yeah. I think this is the battery, the charging case. Yep, all the batteries will go in there. Very simple, just slot it in and easy to take out as well. So that is good, that is good, that is good, that is good, that is good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see what we got here. Okay, some spare props and also some joysticks, 2 joysticks. I think from what I've seen in other videos, it comes with 2 spare. I think this is a spare, and the other 2 should be in the RC itself. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, look at all this. Yeah, man, my body is itching inside, man. I gotta get this in the air. I gotta get this in the air. Oh yeah, yeah. Let me dance a little. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, 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 ooh-wee. Okay, this is the remote control right here. Wow. Oh yeah. Looks very, very, very nice and easy to maneuver, to handle. Joystick, the spare joysticks are mounted in there, so I just have to pull that out and then screw it in. Some ports for charging. Oh yeah, man, 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 man. Ooh wee, wee, wee. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Of course, it comes with a screwdriver. Yeah, man, I've been waiting for this drone for about a month, man. About a month. It was in back order, and finally it is here. It is here. Okay. Yep. Spare props. Hopefully we will not be needing them anytime soon. And yes, man, yes, 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 yes. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that stuff. Look at that. Oh yeah, properly packaged, looking nice and good. right, guys. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, everything is looking nice and good, nice and good, nice and good. Oh yeah. Now let's charge this bad boy up and set it up and let's get in the air. Okay, guys. Charged the batteries up. It came with the batteries not charged, so I had to charge everything up and set everything up. uh, I will post another video on how to set everything up, but for now, man, I just want to get this in the air. I just want to get this in the air. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see here. Let me put on my camera and drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, man, drum roll. Ooh, man, it's very easy to set it up, and also the app is very, very, very easy to to use, very user friendly. Right now I'm just trying to make sure that everything is all right, and oh yes, first takeoff. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Mavic Mini, man. Mavic Mini. It's in the air. It's in the air. Lord, 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 man. I've been waiting for this. Yeah, it's a very cold morning, very frosty, as you can see. But I'm out here. We gotta get this bird in the air. Oh, yeah. Very stable, very responsive to the remote control. And oh Lord, man, you just can't imagine how I feel right now, man. Okay, guys, let us turn to the drone video itself and see what quality it produces. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, what a great quality, great quality. Given that this is like a very, very frosty morning, low clouds, but as you can see here, it really captures the sunrise really good. I think the video quality is well up to par for the price of the drone, but I will in subsequent videos give you a more detailed review. As you all know, in my channel I give you my honest and complete review of what I think about each drone that I fly. Already I've seen some little differences or little stuff that I would like to talk about in my subsequent video. So I will fly this drone a couple more times or so, and then put forth a video which will be the main review that I will be giving about this drone. But for now, everything is going great. It is stable. The camera or the video quality is not bad at all, and so many other things that I will talk on my next video. So guys, I really like the fact that we do not have to register this drone in the US. I like the fact that the weight is just just underneath the minimum for which we have to register it. That is a smart move by DJI, and that is why the sales have been off the roof for this drone, and you will not regret it. It is a fine flyer. It is a great drone for both beginners, intermediate, and even experienced pilots. So let's enjoy this video. I will give a detailed review about this drone in my subsequent video, so watch out for it, and I will see you on my next video. But for now, please guys, subscribe, leave comments below, tell me what you want me to do or what kind of videos you want me to make with this drone, and also ask your questions. I will be able to answer them as soon as I can. So thank you very much.